Hello everyone, my name is Glenna, and in the short video I will quickly show you how to customize the design of your form. The Composer tab of your form builder is where you can customize your form design by adding images and text. Please note that the zkipster form has 3 pages, which you can fully customize, and you can find more information on that via our Help Center. Let's focus on the form page. Click on the background section to choose an image or to change the color of your form background. The image section is where you can upload an event logo, image, or banner. You can choose if you want your image to be displayed even when your form is closed by turning the Show on All Pages toggle on. You also have the option to hyperlink your image if you want to direct your guests to an external website. To add text to your form, click on the text section and add your event details, as well as hyperlinks and dynamic tags to personalize the content. This is where you can change the font style, size, and color of your text. Duplicate both the image and text sections of your form if you want to use multiple images or add text in different places. Just click on the duplicate icon that appears once you hover your mouse on top of the sections. You also can hide sections if you do not need by clicking into it and turning the toggle off, or delete it completely by clicking on the link in the bottom of the section. The highlighted sections are movable and can be reordered by simply dragging and dropping them into the desired place. Open the Response Fields tabs and click into the Design section to customize the look of your response fields. Here is where you can edit the font style, size, font color, and alignment of both your field labels and field descriptions. The response field section is also where you can enable or disable any fields or custom fields that you want to show on your form. You can also reorder each field by dragging and dropping them to the desired location. The form page is also where you will find the confirm and decline options. Click on the response settings and you will see the option to toggle on or off to send a confirmation or a decline email after your guest submits their RSVP. To auto-register guests in Zoom once they submit their confirmation via a virtual or hybrid event, make sure to turn the auto-register in Zoom toggle on. Turn the Set Guest Status toggle to on if you want your guest status to be automatically updated once a guest submits their RSVP. By default, this is already toggled on in your response form. Click on the Design button section to customize the design of your RSVP button, including the display name. Turn the Social Share Icons toggle to on if you want to add icons directing your guests to your social media pages. Always remember to save any edits or changes that you make in your form by clicking on the Save Changes button at the top right corner. Head to our Help Center for more tutorial videos and articles, and thanks for watching.